translating quadrilaterals can look confusing, especially when the shape is irregular. But here's the trick. You move each vertex, one at a time. And in this video, you will learn exactly how to do it fast. Let's start with this quadrilateral. The vertices are A at -4, 2, B at -1, 5, C at 3, 3, and D at 1, -2. We will translate the figure, 4 units right and 3 units down. That means add 4 to every x-coordinate and subtract 3 from every y-coordinate. Let's translate point A first. Point A is at -4, 2, move 4 units right. -4 plus 4 equals 0. Now move 3 units down. 2 minus 3 equals -1. So A prime is at 0, -1. Next is point B. Add 4 to the x-coordinate. -1 plus 4 is 3. Subtract 3 from the y-coordinate. 5 minus 3 is 2. So B prime is at 3, 2. Next is point C. Add 4 to x. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Subtract 3 from y. 3 minus 3 equals 0. C prime is at 7, 0. Finally, point D. Add 4 to x. 1 plus 4 is 5. Subtract 3 from y. -2 minus 3 equals -5. So D prime is 5, -5. Now plot all the new points. A prime at 0, -1. B prime at 3, 2. C prime at 7, 0. And D prime at 5, -5. Then connect the vertices in order. And there it is. The translated quadrilateral. Same shape. Same size. Just move to a new location. Remember this simple rule. Right means add to x. Left means subtract from x. Up means add to y. Down means subtract from y. Translate one point at a time, and any figure translations become easy. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.